So today in this class we will be having an extensive lecture on transformer. So first of all, we have to understand what a transformer is. How does a transformer really work? So a transformer is a device that is used to raise the voltage or reduce the voltage. And another thing that we have to keep in our mind, that in order to function a transformer we require alternating supply. It can be either alternating voltage or it can be either alternating current. So here, as we can see, the design construction of a transformer. So the end that contains the AC supply, that end is known as the primary coil, and the other end is known as the secondary coil. So as we can see here, we have a bulb being connected. So what will happen? Whenever we are applying the AC supply over here, this AC supply will cause the bulb to glow. So how does it occur? Let's see. So here, as you can see, here we have two coils, and based on the number of turns of the coil, the transformer can be divided into two categories. The first one is known as the step-up transformer, and the second one is known as the step-down transformer. So whenever we have greater number of turns in the primary coil in comparison to the secondary coil, then that transformer is known as the step-down transformer. On the other hand, whenever we have greater number of turns in the secondary coil than the primary coil, then that particular transformer is known as the step-up transformer. Another thing we have to keep in our mind, that the transformer that we are working with is 100% efficient and ideal. So what do you mean by ideal? This means that the power that is coming to the primary end is exactly equal to the power at the secondary end. So let me write it down using equation. So this is power input is equals to power output. So from this equation we can write down it in this way, that Vp times Ip is equals to Vs times Is. And at the same time we can also write down that the voltage at the primary is directly proportional to the number of turns, and this is also applicable for the secondary coil as well. So from this discussion we can formulate another equation, and which can be written in this way, that Vp over Vs is equals to Np over Ns, and this is the equation by which we can do most of the calculations regarding the transformer. And basically this equation is also known as the transformer equation.